All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back at it, bringing you another video all the way from Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. From the balcony suite overlooking the marina, we're gonna take a whole tour of this little hotel and show you kind of what my plan is while I'm here in Mexico. So one of the main reasons I actually did get into trading was not necessarily for the money or for the items or like the cars or the boats or anything like that. It was more so for my freedom, but to travel. So with the whole COVID thing going on, it's really putting a damper on my traveling experience. So with winter coming around, I couldn't take it anymore. So I jumped on a plane, one-way ticket down to Mexico. And in these videos, what I want to do with you guys is kind of show you the day in the life here, how I'm actually able to afford all this. Hey, look, there I am. How I'm actually able to afford all of this through day trading alone. So what I've done is I've created a small trading account of $3,000, and I want to show you how I'm able to trade that every single day, maybe make $100, show you guys what I can buy, where I'm staying at here in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. So let's go check out the balcony really quick. We just had a massive boat pull up. Check this out, guys. Absolutely insane, that whole boat overlooking the marina. Absolutely beautiful. Been drinking too many beers here, eh? Holy crap. Absolutely loving it here. So that's kind of the whole plan I want to share with you guys in this whole video. I kind of want to show you a day in the life, me day trading every day from like my bed or something like that. So right now, this hotel room is really 120 bucks a night Canadian. So I got to move out of here. If I'm going to be living off $100 a night, do something fun for you guys. I want to show you guys, you don't necessarily need $50,000 account to actually trade. So what I've done, like I said, $3,000. I'm going to live off that, 100 bucks a day. All right, so I got to leave this room, go to a new hotel room, maybe 40, 50 bucks. And then I got 40, 50 bucks to spend every single day. All right, so I'm going to let you guys go with that. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hopefully we have some fun. Maybe check out a couple all-inclusives along the way. Hopefully this comes a weekly thing, maybe just a weekly video, trade reviews. I'm gonna roll in my trade reviews. So I'm gonna talk about my trades while I'm sitting there in my bed, show you the profits, losses, and kind of show you the day in the life, week in the life of a traveling trader, all right? Cheers, guys, let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, day one, just drinking a beer, looking at the charts right now. It's in the morning, it's currently 8:30 in the morning. No opportunities today. There was a couple, but I basically just got to the computer late. Not enough risk to reward for my type of liking. But also today is the presidential election, Donald Trump versus Joe Biden. And to be honest, I don't even think we're going to know who is the actual president after tonight. I'm going to make sure I watch that. But to be honest, there's going to be a whole scamdemic behind. Did they actually get the votes in on time? We got to wait 14 days for the votes. We won't know who the president is for another week or two. I think there's going to be a whole scamdemic behind that. Who's my pick? I'm picking Donald Trump to become the president once again. That is my pick. You heard it here. And yeah, that's it. I got to leave this hotel room in about 30 minutes. So I'm going to pack up, go eat breakfast. And I'll catch you guys going into the next hotel room. All right? Cheers, guys. All right, just checked in, unpacked my bags. Want to give you guys a quick room tour before I tear it up. Nice bed, checked out the Wi-Fi. Everything looks good, very high-speed internet. Comfy bed, 2 towels, shampoo. We got a second bed, in fact, if you got a couple people here. Satellite TV. I think right now, I think that's the movie Anaconda. The one with the big snake. Here's the bathroom. Let's turn on the lights. Where are these lights? Here it is. Shower. Looks nice. I don't know, it looks a little greasy. The toilet's seen better days, but hey, it works though. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Water pressure looks awesome. Let's check out the sink. Awesome. This place is great. Wi-Fi is great. Great bed. Got the fridge right there. So yeah, that's the setup, guys. That's where we're going to be trading from for the next week. I booked it for how many nights? 6 nights for 600 pesos a night, which is about 30, what is that, 35 bucks American. So not bad. Quick tour once again. And that's where we're going to be trading from. All right. Let's get straight to work and let's get right into the next day and start the trading session. All right. Cheers, guys. Let's go. Let's make some money. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the first trade of the small account challenge like I told you I was going to do. So let's come check it out, give you a trade review, show you the profits. First trade was on pound USD. 30-minute supply zone, took the 1 minute short right there, but let's get into a little detail because that's what I want to share with you guys. So what I noticed was price coming up into this area of 30-minute supply up in here, rally-based drop. That's telling me that there was a lot of selling happening in this candle. So if and when prices do come back up into this area of supply, that's telling me I want to start looking for selling opportunities. So what I did was, well, once price came up into that area of supply over here, I went down into my lower time frame, bottom right-hand chart, and I wanted to see evidence of sellers starting to come in. So what do I mean by that? I mean, I want to see price starting to turn from inside out. Price turns from inside out, meaning the 1 minute changes before the 5 minute, the 5 minute changes before the 15 changes before the hourly, and so on and so on. So with us sitting inside that 30-minute supply zone, I went down to the 5 minute and I wanted to see evidence of sellers coming in. We saw sellers coming in by breaking the upward trend line, removing 5 minute demand zones, and I was like, perfect. Now let me go down to a smaller time frame to see if I can really pinpoint where this thing started to fall from. So we go over here to the 1 minute where, wow, this thing really did collapse. I noticed this was the 1 minute rally-based drop up there on the left-hand chart. Very strong drop out. Just caught a quick trade and man, that thing moved about 10 to 1. So let's go check out some of the profits. Where is this? Let's go like that. So pound USD, 107 bucks, you know, not bad for the small account challenge. What am I thinking today? What am I going to do? It is currently 7:55 in the morning, coming up to 8 in the morning, and I'm done work. All right, so what I want to do is actually, there's a really good oyster bar I've been wanting to go to, so I'm going to take you guys with me to the oyster bar, maybe go check out the marina, show some boats, and that's it. See you at the marina. Okay, the oysters have arrived, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like they cooked them up for me. They threw some, looks like cheese, green peppers, red peppers, onions, and a little bit of butter. Can't complain. I couldn't wait, so I actually ate 5 of them already. Yeah, just overlooking the bay, enjoying a couple beers. It's a nice Thursday afternoon. So let's try one of these things out. Here we go. Absolutely amazing, can't complain. I usually like my oysters raw, but can't complain with those. At least it's not going to give me the squirts, if you know what I mean. Now what I really like about this spot is it overlooks the marina, and you get to see all the boats and you get to see them come and go, but you get to also see what they caught as well. Some of them pull in some marlin, mahi, and all that type of stuff, so you get to see all that. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit of an expensive place. I think the oysters were about 300 pesos, which is a lot of money in my opinion. Luckily enough, we're in Mexico, everything's cheap. Beer is extremely cheap. You really shouldn't go a place without spending you shouldn't be spending more than about 40 pesos per beer. Anybody that's interested in knowing what kind of beer I'm drinking right now, it's called Pacifico. You could probably pick it up in your local liquor store. in the import section from Mexico, because Mexico, they serve what? Dos Equis, Corona, Texcata, a couple other ones too, Sol, but this one is also Pacifico. This is a popular beer here, especially in the Baja of Mexico. And now while I was just sitting here drinking my beer, my waiter friend came and explained to me that this crane right here, where is this? Right here, is used for when they bring in the marlins and the big fish that they can't carry off the boats. And it's this whole thing. They pull it off, they weigh it, and they use it for competitions and any time that they're bringing off big fish off the boat. If you're looking for a good place, see some boats come by, looking for really good food, even if you want to cheap out, you could grab some tacos. 200 pesos for some really good tacos. They give you guacamole, chips, what else? A rice, some beans, and 3 tacos. But anyways, that wraps it up. I appreciate everybody so far watching the vlog so far. Hopefully it's going really well. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. We're on our way to Friday, so hopefully we can keep the streak going. $100 a day, that's what we're trying to. I want to show you guys. Yeah, you know what? You can do this off of $100 a day, $50 a day, depending where you are around the world. I mean, if you're in Thailand, I guess you could easily do this off of about $30, $50 a day, and be living in a very nice place. Like the hotel I was staying in Pattaya, Thailand, I actually did a video on that called the Penthouse Suite. I think I was paying 20 bucks a night for that, right downtown Pattaya, and everything else is, you know, $2, $3 beers. There's no reason to spend over $50 if you're on a budget, especially in Mexico or even Thailand, right? Even when I was in Phuket, the hotel, that was another hotel review I did, but that place I was paying is like 18, 16 bucks a night, plus an all-you-can-eat buffet. You can get away with stuff very, very cheap if you're willing to budget, right? So hopefully with this whole series, I can show you guys like, hey, you know, this is the kind of lifestyle I'm living off of. I'm not even spending $100 a day, to be honest, but $100 just sounds easier and better, if you know what I mean. So I appreciate you guys watching so far. We're going to be getting right on to Friday, hopefully pick up some nice wins and share with you. If we can go to an all-inclusive resort, that would be great. If not, we'll probably go to the beach, hang out there, maybe go to Mango Deck. It's one of the beach clubs here. I appreciate you guys being here so far. Let's roll straight into Friday, all right? Cheers, boys. All right, we got another trade here in the books. It was a winner, pound Swiss, 5-minute confirmation, quick trade in and out. If we look here on the right-hand chart, we notice that prices were coming back down into this area of demand. Very strong buy movement coming in, so if and when prices do come back down in here, I want to be a buyer, right? So prices came back down. I saw price was starting to turn, so I bought the pullback right down in here. Let's move that, can we? So we bought the pullback right down in here and took it for a quick trade. Where's this pound Swiss? $100, so there we go. 35 bucks here for the night. 110 bucks for the day. So what I was looking at doing was spending a little bit of the profits, maybe going to an all-inclusive vacation where it's all you can eat, all you can drink, good food, good security, nice rooms and all that stuff just for the weekend. So I'm gonna have a look at that and see what the prices are. I mean, if it's outrageously stupidly high, then I ain't gonna go. I have no idea. It's COVID-19 right now, so they could have the prices jacked up 200% because they want to keep the occupancy low. So I'm going to have a quick look at that and I'll keep you guys updated with that. All right. Okay, so we're looking at all-inclusive vacations right now, but this is the price they want. This isn't Canadian too. Los Terrenos, that's the place I was just at. That's a shit ton for right now. 400 bucks, 1,000 bucks, 400, 250. It's a little out of my price range if I want to do the small account challenge. Holy shit. So maybe no all-inclusive today. I'm even looking at Google Maps trying to find a nice hotel for the weekend. The Rio Santa Fe. I think you can go to that one, but it's like 200 bucks or something for right now, which is not bad. I think that's like the only option. What is this one? Marina Fiesta Resorts. The thing is, I don't think that's an all-inclusive vacation. And if you want to book it, it's like the prices just jump up. Okay, that's not bad. 130. Yeah, maybe I'll look into that for next week. Oh, that's just a hotel. Okay. But if you want to go for like all-inclusives, like 250, you got to be paying like 350 bucks, taxes included. This is Canadian, so it'll be about like 200 bucks, but don't think we're going to be going to an all-inclusive vacation for today or this weekend at least, but that's something I want to show you guys for at least 1 week. Let's go to redtag.ca. I want to show you guys, if you book like last minute all-inclusive vacations, this is the website that I go through. When it comes to last minute vacations, I think I have to Google that. Hold up. Red tag last minute vacations. So this is the website that I use when I book my last minute all-inclusive vacations down to Mexico or Cuba. I gotta click Vancouver. I'll show you what the prices are and you guys can see, like flights included, everything. 600 bucks, 700 bucks Canadian to go to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Right, that's flights included there and back, shuttle service, all-inclusive vacation. So they're just Jewing you if you want to book the hotel, in my opinion. $1,000 bucks, which is about $750 American. Go to the Dreams, man, that's amazing. Memories, $1,000 bucks, and in fact, if you want to go through like Montreal, it's even cheaper if you go through Montreal. So let's have a look. If you want to go through Montreal, 500 bucks, which is literally what, like 400 bucks American. Blue Bay, excellent place. Fun Montreal, Riviera Maya, there and back, flights included, all inclusive, all you can eat, all you can drink. 600 bucks Canadian. You can't go wrong with that place. I've stayed there before. Wow. It's so much cheaper if you're on the East Coast. But hey, if you're American, buy a $50 flight up north, go to Montreal and take the flight, all-inclusive vacation down south. I mean, it's really cheap. But if you're gonna be booking here right now in Cabo San Lucas, it looks really expensive. So I guess maybe no all-inclusive this week. Hey, I wanna show you guys what they're about. Maybe I'll take you through them next week, but just gonna end the video here, I guess. Enjoy my weekend in Cabo San Lucas. Check out downtown. Okay, before I let you guys go, I'm just editing this video right now, and I must say it is a pain in the ass making this video. Lots of clips, editing software issues, music, trying to figure it all out. It's very hard to, record the clips, edit it, and do all that yourself. So hey, I would appreciate it if you guys push that like button, subscribe. If you guys do have any questions, let me know. On top of that, if you guys want to know more about the trading strategy that I'm exactly trading in here and in all my videos, it's the supply and demand methodology. I will leave links down below in the description for my free tips playlist that's on my YouTube channel that I take you step by step to show you how I actually do it. And then on top of that, I will put links down below with the free training of the free little mini course I offer. So with that said, I appreciate everybody watching this video. Like I said, leave the thumbs up or like the thumbs up button and have a great time, guys.